Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to share some essential tips on how to maximize the effectiveness of Viagra. Whether you're new to the little blue pill or looking to get the best results, stick around because we have some valuable insights for you. Viagra, also known by its generic name sildenafil, is a popular medication used to treat erectile dysfunction. But to get the most out of it, there are a few things you need to keep in mind. First things first, timing is everything. For optimal results, take Viagra 30 to 60 minutes before sex. This gives it enough time to work its magic. But remember, don't take it more than 4 hours before you plan to get busy. Viagra lasts about 4 hours, so hitting that sweet spot is crucial. Timing your dose correctly ensures that the medication is at its peak effectiveness when you need it the most. Now let's talk about food. Avoid heavy, high-fat meals before taking Viagra. Why? Fatty foods can slow down the absorption of sildenafil, the active ingredient in Viagra, making it less effective. So skip the double cheeseburger and go for something lighter. A light meal or snack is a better option to ensure the medication works efficiently. Additionally, avoid grapefruit juice. It can interfere with how your body metabolizes Viagra, potentially leading to low blood pressure and other complications. If you love grapefruit juice, talk to your healthcare provider. They can provide guidance on how to manage your diet while taking Viagra. Alright, let's address the mental side of things. Viagra works best when you're relaxed and sexually stimulated. If you're anxious about performing, it might not work as well. So take a deep breath and enjoy the moment. Creating a comfortable and stress-free environment can significantly enhance the effectiveness of the medication. Speaking of which, Viagra might not always work the first time. Don't panic. It's normal to have a few hiccups initially. If it's not working, you might need a different dose. Consult your healthcare provider to get the right prescription. They can adjust your dosage or suggest alternative treatments if necessary. And finally, a healthy lifestyle can make a big difference. Exercise regularly, eat a balanced diet, and avoid excessive alcohol. These habits can improve your overall health and enhance Viagra's effectiveness. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle not only benefits your general well-being, but also supports better sexual health. So there you have it. To get the best results from Viagra, take it 30 to 60 minutes before sex. Avoid heavy meals and grapefruit juice. Stay relaxed and maintain a healthy lifestyle. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness advice. Thanks for watching. Remember, always consult with your healthcare provider for personalized advice and to ensure Viagra is safe and effective for you. Stay informed, stay healthy, and take care. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.